Hi my people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make delicious plantain porridge. Yes, this is Nigeria plantain porridge recipe, African cuisine. This Nigerian plantain porridge will be made with unripe plantain. Some people make their own with the mixture of ripe plantain and unripe plantain. But for me, the whole taste of unripe plantain for porridge is the best. If you add ripe plantain to your unripe plantain and make porridge, the porridge will have some tanginess or sweetness, which I don't like in my porridge. Let's wash the plantain. After washing, it will be time to peel the coat of the plantain. Make sure to wash the plantain coat before peeling. This removes sand, dates, and some other things you don't know that was on the plantain peel. Do you know that unripe plantain is rich in a lot of nutrients? Do you know that it has vitamin C? It has vitamin B6, iron, calcium, magnesium, and so many health related benefits. Plantain is very good. And for our men, even it works for women too. Do you know that when you eat unripe plantain porridge, if you eat it with enough protein in it, it enhances your sexual health? Yes, traditionally, plantain, especially the unripe one, is believed to boost libido and vitality in both men and women. Are you surprised to hear that? So you guys should not be overlooking those things that you feel like is not your thing, or unripe plantain is not sweet. Because of that, you will not want to eat it. Please, try and eat some certain things. It's going to help you. Okay? If today is your first time of tuning into this channel, hi there, feel at home. Welcome to the community. And for my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. Thank you for sticking to me. In making this video more fun, I want anybody that wants a shout out to write their name in the comment section and tell me their country. Then I'll give you a shout out. Even if you are in the same country as I am, that's Nigeria, I can still give you a shout out. You just have to write the parts of Nigeria where you are. Assuming my name is Kemi, I can say I am Kemi from Kaduna. So that means in my next section, I'm going to say, hi Kemi from Kaduna. Thank you for watching my video. How is that, guys? So to make my video more lively and my video more interactive, I decided to implement this particular process. How is it, guys? Everything I use for this plantain porridge will be in my description box and on your screen so that you can see the quantity and ingredients I added to it that made it insanely delicious. This plantain porridge is so good and your body will thank you for eating it. Okay, make sure you save this recipe, share it to someone that really needs it. That's very important. So it's time to cook the plantain porridge. Place it on the fire. I've added everything necessary to make this plantain porridge insanely delicious. The turkey is not going to cook 100% by the time the plantain is ready. My intention of putting it into the plantain is to bring out more deliciousness and add to the plantain, because the broth I added to the plantain is from turkey. So me adding turkey to it increases the flavor of the plantain porridge. How is it going, guys? How are you guys preparing for the holidays? This plantain porridge does not take much time to cook. It takes less than 1 hour from the peeling part to the whole process of cooking it. I hope this saves you a lot of stress, especially on a day where you are very hungry and you need something to eat very, very fast. When turning your plantain, some people enjoy those soft, mushy plantain. So if it's that type you enjoy, make sure to take your masher, that's your potato masher, and mash some of the plantain. This will make it very, very, very soft. I don't want the over soft plantain. I like feeling the bites of my plantain when I'm eating it. I like having it, I like testing it, and I like chewing it. Okay, I don't want it like a puree, like a baby's food. No, this is how I cook my plantain. This is how I like my plantain. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed, okay? I'll be seeing you in my next video. Do take care, and I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.